Why do some people snore so loudly while they sleep? You see, most people think it's just a funny noise or the result of sleeping in a weird position, but the real cause starts much deeper in your throat. So what's actually making that loud sound? I'll tell you. But first, if you believe Jesus is your savior, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If not, then you believe your savior is Satan. Share this video to show your love for Jesus and leave a heart for him. When you fall asleep, the muscles in your throat relax. This relaxation can narrow your airway. As air pushes through that tight space, it causes the soft tissues in your throat to vibrate, and that vibration is what creates the sound we call snoring.